Hello, today I want to talk about the new changes in Chrome AI. Since Chrome 136, the APIs have changed it, that all my Chrome AI demos cannot be run on my Chrome Canary browser. Tonight, I want to do live coding to fix my Language Detector API demo. We can go to Chrome for Developers website to find out the API status. For example, Language Detector API is available on Chrome 138 beta version. In here, it says that the API is available from Chrome 138 stable. So I think now it's probably a good time to learn what Gemini Nano can do. Gemini Nano is a small LLM model in Chrome AI that can do a lot of things. For example, language detection, summarization, and translation. It is very useful to web developers who want to build small demos and applications using only client-side AI. So if you are interested in Chrome AI, you should probably join the EPP to try out these new capabilities and make feedback to the Chrome team for improvements or for something that doesn't work on your browser during experiment and prototyping. So I open the Chrome Dev Console of my Canary browser 139. Then I can test the Language Detector API after the changes were made back in Chrome 136. First, I type Language Detector itself. The value is true, so this browser supports the API. Then I type await. So I open the Chrome Dev Console of my Canary. Oh, sorry, not language. Language Detector. Language Detector. I cannot spell, sorry. The result is available, which is good. The other possible values are downloading, downloadable, and unavailable. So if the result is unavailable, then we shouldn't use the API to detect language. If the value is downloadable, it means that the API can be downloaded, and an action must be taken in order to download the model so that people can use the API to detect the language. Downloading means the model is in the middle of being downloaded. So when the downloading is successful, the model is there and the API can be used. So now let me create a detector. So detector equals to await language detector dot create. Okay, so a detector is created. Okay, now I can use it to detect the language of my text. So detector dot detect hello my friend. Okay, so detected language is English, the other is UND. So this is one of the changes that observed. In the past, the detect method always returned an array with 111 detected languages. Now the array size varies. So let me try Spanish, like Buenos dias. So Spanish. Okay, let me try German, like Guten. Wow, 49. First one is German and DA is Danish. Okay, and okay, I'm done with this. I need to free the resource of detector destroy. So the detector is destroyed and the resources is released. So this is how I play with an API before I start to use it in my Angular demos. So I have done playing with the new changes in this dev console. Now I need to fix my Angular demo so that it can run on the browser. To save time, I upgraded the type/DOM Chromium AI to 0.0.7, the latest version of the library, and I also upgraded the demo to use Angular 20 that was released this morning. I started the application it couldn't run with so many errors. So localhost 4200, the site can't be reached. The application is broken, and I need to fix it. So let's do it with a live coding section. So I'm done with the introduction to the Language Detector API. I need to fix my demo so that it can run on browser. I started the ng compiler, and it reported many errors. My demo cannot run on localhost 4200. I need to change my code so that the errors go away and the demo can run. So okay. First, I need to open app.config and fix this. In Angular 20, it is called provider soreness change detection. And I cannot, I don't need to create an injection token and inject the language detector object. I need to use the language detector class to create a detector in the language detection surface. I will delete some constants and some unnecessary classes. I don't need this AI language detector injection token, so let me find out where it is used and get rid of them. Oh wow. Okay, so let me delete the provider first. Okay. I don't need the profile AI language detector API provider. Okay. I don't need this constant. I don't need this AI language detector API token constant. So many. Where should I start? Oh my god. Okay. Session component. Let's fix AI detection. I shouldn't check whether or not the API exists based on Chrome version and browser type. Like this feature may be available in other browsers in the future, so I shouldn't assume that this API doesn't exist if user use a Firefox 2 or 3 years from now. So I am going to delete this is Chrome browser check and get Chrome version check. And throw an error if language detector is not in self. Use language detector.availability to determine the availability of the API. If availability, I need to await. If availability equals unavailable, throw error. For other values, it is fine. So this is language detection API supported observable. Returns an observable of string. So if check-prone built-in AI doesn't throw any error, then the error message should be an empty string. So let me use the map operator to return an empty string. Okay. And I want to change the name of the function to get language detector API availability. So far so good. Okay. Fine. Okay. So far so good, and I should fix language detection surface. Get rid of the constant. Okay, this language detection API doesn't exist. Get rid of it. The type is wrong. It should be language detector or undefined. Language detector class doesn't have the capabilities function, so I need to get rid of anything that has to do with capabilities. Here's delete the capabilities. Yeah, delete this one. Delete. I need to fix this create detector method. I should use language detector.create to create a new detector and use it to set the detector signal. So so how do I do it? That reset. Okay. Reset the detector and then use the availability. Yeah. Use the get language detector API availability to decide whether or not I can call language detector.create to create a detector. So okay. What happened? Cannot find it? What do you mean cannot find it? It's here, right? Oh, interesting. Why cannot find it? It's not exported? Are you sure? Oh, right, you're right. And then I want to copy this code. Create a detector. Pass the upload signal and pass the expected input language. I wanted to be able to detect Spanish, English, Chinese, German, and maybe Portuguese. And looks good. Should I pass the monitor code back? Yeah, why not? Well, it depends on the status. So let me find out the availability of the API. Interesting. Wait, let's say monitor equals to I don't know, if availability equals to available, then undefined. Otherwise, this right. It's a function that listen to download progress event. What is M? Create monitor. Okay. I guess okay, right? Uh, create monitor callback. I'm not worried. Does it work? Like that. Does it work? Okay. Oh, undefined. Okay. I think okay now, yeah. So if availability is available, then no monitor callback. Otherwise, provide like a create monitor callback that console log the download progress. I want to create a function for it. I mean a method for it. Uh, create uh, create a detector with monitor. Okay. Looks good. Any more error? Uh, detect. Oh yeah, this one. I should get the top 3 results or all the results that the detector returns. All the results detector returns. So max language result should be replaced with result.length. This one string or undefined. Okay, then change the language tag from string or now to string undefined. It's good, it's good. Here, I need to do a try catch. If detect fails, I need to catch the error and return empty list. And if E is instance of DOM exception, and E dot name equals to quota, quota. Oh, interesting. I saw it in the explainer before. Quota. Where is it? Here. Quota exceeded error. Sorry, DOM equals to and console log. Oh, nice. Language Detector API exceeded. Please try again later. I don't have it. I don't want to throw error. Else if E instead of error, then console error E. Is it message? I don't know, maybe just return empty result. Not supported error. CRL. Expert input language. to help improve the accuracy. Okay. Looks good, and then delete unused import. Still more error. Okay, here. Okay, why? Confidence is optional. Okay, well, if confidence is undefined, then display NA, and then here, no capabilities. Okay, get rid of capabilities. Capabilities. Get rid of languages. Get rid of all this. No AI capability availability class. So get rid of languages and languages available dot set. This one I don't need this. I don't want this. Language available. Okay, this component I don't need it. I don't need language available component. Okay, the application compiles successfully. Yeah, show setup. I need version 136 or above. My Canary is version 139. Now I can use it to detect English. Hello, my friends. How are you today? Or this is change the text. No capabilities. Create a detector and destroy a detector. Create a detector. Detect language. English 100%. Okay. Now detect Spanish. Buenos días. Como estás? 99.9% is Spanish. Okay, if I input all, so I get 3 results back: Spanish, Portuguese, and Swedish. Let me detect German. So guten Tag. Wait, oh, it's not Danish. It's not Danish. It's German. Guten Morgen. Okay, guten. Okay, let's detect Portuguese. Você. Okay. Bom dia is good morning in Brazilian Portuguese. 99%. Yep. So I fixed it, the demo, and now it's running in Chrome Canary. I want to show a new feature in Language Detector API. The Language Detector API has a new read-only field called InputQuota. It represents the total available quota for the language detection. I want to display this value in the component in here. Maybe I should add it first. So computed, like InputQuota equals to computed. Constant detector equals to distal detector. Return if detector exists. Yeah, input quota was 0. Nice. Now I want to display the value of the input quota signal in the component. Okay. I want to show it here. Here. Input quota. Okay, I need to create a member called input quota, and the value is this.service.input quota. I'll put it here. Okay, create a label. Yes. infinity. Okay. Now its input quota is infinity. So I can type a large text and ask Gemini Nano to tell me what language it is. Yeah, so this is what I want to show in this video, like the changes in the Language Detector API, how I refactored my old demo to use the new Language Detector API, and show the value of the read-only input quota, and the conclusion is the input quota of the Language Detector API is infinity. So this is it. I hope you learned something about the Language Detector API. So if you are interested in Chrome AI, you should join the EPP, play with the demos, and provide valuable feedback to the team to improve the API further. So thank you and have a good night.